Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialized in the common rail inject, and today I want to show you some of our product. As you can see, we have many kinds of product. This is our control valve. Yes, today I will get this one to make an example for you. Okay, let's check the details for this one. Look at here on this part, you can see this is the package details. We package with a VCI anti-rust bags. Yes, this is really environmental friendly. And for this part, you can see this is the label on our packaging bags. The first line is our Shumatt brand logo. Yes, if you want to design your own logo or the label, the packaging bags, yes, contact us. We Shumatt supply the customized services. For this part, this is the model numbers. The model number is the F00VC01371. The product name is the common rail valve. Yes, on this part, this is the application injector numbers 05544511033 and 044511037. This is our QR code, and we also have the other informations on the label. Okay, then I will open it to see the inside part. Let's check it first. As you can see, this is packaged with plastic bottles. Yes, it can be better protect our product. Let's see the inside. In the inside part, also we package it with oil paper, so it's very safe for our control valve. Let's open it. Wow, this is our control valve. Yes. Okay, as you can see, we not only seal the whole side of a product, we also seal in the separate part. The separate part is the valve cap. Our valve cap, you can see, we have some coating on this part, and also with some curved letters. This is our valve rod. Yes, valve rod, we have different sizes, we have different lengths. If you have other needs, like if you want to customize the size of our product, yes, you can contact us. We Shumatt, we supply the customized services, including the product size for you, okay? And actually, every items before we sell it, we will test it many times. So don't worry about our product qualities. Also, we have the 6 months warranties. Okay, so much for our product details. Actually, as you can see, we have many models of our product, right? If you are not familiar with our product numbers, it's okay. Just send us the detailed information, and we will help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. Okay, and here Caitlin have several tips for you. The first tip is if you want to install the the control valve, you'd better to make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly after assembling the injector bodies. Yeah. The second tips is if you want to, you'd better to make sure the valve cap can be put it in the right positions. Yes. The third tips is if you want to clean the spare parts, you should to use the oil to clean the injector and the spare parts. Okay, that's all the tips I want to share with you. Actually, each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you're curious about our product, if you like my videos, please follow at our channel. Yes, feel free to contact us. Except that we also supply the injector, the nozzle, repair kit, pumps, parts for the pumps, including the product we are showing today, the control valve. Yes, any items if you are interested, remember to contact us. Yep. So much for today's product introductions. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.